Now we have the final cadenza of Lancen Concerto. I like to take my finger and this, and I know it is the right sound. And now, this is the absolutely last part, a little allegro again. First the piano is doing it, and then bass. Little cadenza, like the H before H1, was this one. So again, I imagine a process like the music is written, and I saw that the process of semitone, tone, semitone, tone is beginning at G here. Here is semitone, semitone. Okay, and so the first 6 notes before are not in the process. They are more chromatic. So I play, this is C, C sharp, D sharp, chromatic, and then I have G. This is the beginning of the last line. I am at the thumb here, thumb position. And again, don't forget to raise number 1 if you want to reach the right notes. Some people, of course, they don't like those fingering. It's okay, no problem. And they play 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, something like that. Something like that. But I like to group my notes like it's written by the composer, and then so that way I think I'm a little bit more organized. I like to have pedagogically something very well organized in my fingerings. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this concerto. This concerto, we ask it in the choice list to come in our Conservatory National Superior in France, CNSM DP. Thank you.